Hello everyone, it is I, Mrs. Duck, here for another episode of Drawing with Mrs. Duck. So you need to grab a paper and a pencil and be ready to draw with me, Mrs. Duck, the star of the show. Mrs. Duck, what are you, Mr. T, what are you doing, Mrs. Duck? I thought it'd be fun to draw with the boys and girls. Oh. Yeah, that sounds like a good idea. Maybe we could do something like that. Mrs. Duck, I have an idea for a picture. Can I take over? Why, yes, Mr. T, that would be great. All right, let me just grab my pen back. Thank you very much for holding on to it. Oh, you're very welcome. You want to go have a seat with the boys and girls? I would love it. Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. Okay, Mrs. Duck. Great idea. Yeah, boys and girls, if you need to pause, go ahead and pause. Go grab something to draw with. And something to draw on. Paper, pencil. If you want to get colors, you can bring colors along because we might add some color. Right? It's up to you. This is your artwork. Let's see. What can we draw? You know what? We're going to do another fruit, just like we did before. But I'm going to do something a little bit different with the eyes this time. So let's draw an orange. An orange. So an orange is almost a circle, right? It's pretty close, and if you don't get it perfect, that's great because if you ever take a look at an orange, it's not completely round, right? So I'm going to draw a circle right here in the middle of my page. Okay. Now, oranges, when they're pulled from trees, a lot of times part of the stem will be left on there, right? And I'm going to turn mine to like hair, right? So I'm going to put this a little tiny stem coming up here, like that. Two little lines. Maybe I'll have it be a little fuzzy at the top. So it looks like a little bit of hair sticking out the top, right? Okay, let's draw the eyes. So we're going to start the first eye like we did before. One big circle. There we go. And we're going to put two smaller circles inside, one on top of the other. Okay? So the first one will start here. And the second one we'll put down here. There we go. Now we're going to color on the outside of those little circles inside the eye. Okay? Not on the inside of them, on the outside. So right around the edge. That, and the other side, like that. There's one eye. Now, you can always pause this anytime if I'm going too fast, okay? You don't have to try to keep up with me. You can pause it and continue when you're ready. The next eye is going to be a little bit different, okay? I'm not going to do it the same way. This time I'm going to do a winky eye. And the way I do a winky eye is kind of like an upside down smile. Like if I was going to draw a smile, but put it upside down like this. So there. We've got a little bit of a wink going. And then now we're going to add our smile. We've got a little bit of an orange. And oranges, if you ever look at them, if you ever grab an orange and look at it, it's got like dimples all around it, right? So we could add little marks to make it look like little dimples all around, maybe even on the cheek. Something like that. And if you wanted to grab, you know, an orange and color all around, that's up to you, right? You can add as much color as you want. You can make this any color you'd like. You can even change the hair up. Right? This is just how mine looks, but you don't have to do it exactly the same, right? Have fun with it. It's art, right? Enjoy. All right, boys and girls, what I'd really like later on, when you're done with this, if you finish today, I'd like to see this at our Zoom meeting. If you don't finish today, maybe tomorrow morning I'll see it in our Zoom meeting, okay? But at some point I'd like to see your pictures. You can even share it on Class Dojo if you'd like, all right? Have fun with this, boys and girls. It's art. I hope you enjoyed it. And I hope you have more ideas how to draw our eyes for our little fruit characters, right? We're having fun with it. All right, boys and girls, thank you very much for joining me and our friend, Mrs. Duck. Yes, thank you for joining me, the star, Mrs. Duck. All right, we'll see you boys and girls next time. Bye-bye.